Okay, that's fine. We're gonna be able
Oh,
to.
that's nice.
Alright, you all set?
Awesome. We got a countertop. Very happy. Hey guys, we're gonna replace this cabinet. I don't think it's rolling. Oh, it is. Okay, we're gonna replace this countertop. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut along the edges so that when we pull it, it doesn't peel the paint off the walls. So, second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the screws
that are mounting the
the countertop
from underneath.
from underneath.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull the
Why don't you do it
countertop,
while-
replace it. You're in the video now.
Yeah, but you can you can delete this one.
Okay. So go ahead and hit stop. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the screws that are mounting the countertop to the cabinet. We've already done that, so. So now we're going to replace this countertop. The first thing we need to do is disconnect all plumbing because the sink has to come out. Once we disconnect all the plumbing, we can pull the sink out, remove this countertop, and get started on the new one. Don't forget, if you need some help disconnecting the plumbing from the sink, go on YouTube and you'll find yourself a video there. So as you can see, we've removed the sink. We've cut a line along the edges so it doesn't peel. Now we're ready to remove and we've also removed any screws underneath. And then we're ready to remove this countertop. So as you can see, we've got the counter removed and we're ready for our new one. So the first thing we're gonna do, well, the second thing we're gonna do is remove these tangerines from the sink. We threw them in there because we wanted to see which ones went bad. This one is bad, so we're gonna throw that out. So today we are making a meatloaf. Let me show you the meat I'm using. I'm going to use grass-fed ground beef, 2 of them, and let's get set up. As you can see, guys, we've installed the backsplash as well. You can see that's our new sink. That's our new countertop. See how it goes all the way back? Don't get excited. We still have to paint. So come on back. Down to the last piece. We'll show you the finished product next. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, guys, we're down to the last piece. So we'll show you the finished product. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, last piece. Last piece, guys, and then you get to see the results. Hey guys, as you can see, we've removed the old countertop. We put in a new sink. We put in a new water faucet, and now we're ready to put in the backsplash. So as you can see, this is we've installed the countertops, and now we're ready to put on the peel and stick backsplash. It's pretty nice stuff too, look. Can't wait till it's finished. Oh my god, I made the best Brussels sprouts. I had them in there for so long I needed to cook them. But never mind the Brussels sprouts. Look how pretty the thing came in. Isn't it pretty? And then my husband painted, so it looks a lot better. But that's Brussels sprouts with bacon, and oh my god, so good. Then we also had spaghetti, but you gotta see. Okay, so this is my new. I'm going in for the cabinets this week. So this is my backsplash. But this is what we had for dinner tonight. And if you don't know, it is spaghetti sauce with meat. So good. Let me know if you like this kind of content. If you do, I'll make more of it. Like I said, we are doing our kitchen. We're getting our new cabinets this week. Well, we're ordering them this week because, you know, we're DIYers, so we're doing it ourselves. But isn't this cool? Isn't that a cool range? I mean, a cool, what's it called? And then my husband did a peel and stick and then colored my walls gray to match. And this is my new fridge. Not so new anymore, but like it's still pretty new. It's a Samsung. And I got that recently too. And then I also recently got that. That's why I decided to do my kitchen. So we will figure it out, but it's been great and I'm just happy. Let me know if you like cooking content and I'll whip up some cool videos. Like and subscribe, guys. Life is good.